To go through this quick high-level overview of my 5-step criteria, which I am going to use when reviewing the 10 best affiliate marketing platforms. Using this 5-step criteria is going to make sure that you don't spend loads of time promoting your affiliate links, never to get paid, or even worse, end up getting scammed by a shady affiliate platform. So what is my 5-step criteria? Well, the first thing I like to look at when reviewing an affiliate platform is the sign-up process. Now, believe it or not, some platforms have an absolutely convoluted, complex sign-up process. You have to jump through so many hoops, so many hurdles before you even get access to your affiliate links. So reviewing the sign-up process is a very important aspect of any platform you decide to work with. The second thing we're going to be taking a look at is how easy the platform is to use. There's no point you signing up to a platform, no matter if it's short or long, the sign up process, only to find out when you get access to the platform, it is really difficult to use. You can't find any offers, you can't find your affiliate links, it's really old and outdated, so that's also a really important thing to review. The third thing we're going to look at is going to be the range of products the platform actually has on offer, so products you can actually promote. Some platforms literally have less than 100 products, and if you are working in one specific niche, then it might be unlikely that they have the product you can promote. So I'll be going over all the product ranges for all of the 10 best platforms out there. Then after that, the fourth thing we are going to review is the commissions and the payments. So here we are going to review how much commissions each of these platforms actually pay, along with the payment terms. Payment terms relating to how soon do they actually pay you for the money you've earned. As no one wants to spend months and months promoting someone else's products to then wait more months just to receive the payment. And by the way, it's pretty much standard to wait between 30 to 60 days to receive payment. However, there are a lot of platforms that will give you payment sooner than that, some even on a weekly or bi-weekly basis. So that's a very important thing to consider as well when determining what platform you want to go for. And the fifth and final thing we're going to be taking a look at is essentially a high-level overview of the pros and cons of each platform. Once again, that is going to help you make the best decision and move forward with the best platform for your specific needs. And of course, finally, at the end, it isn't really part of my 5-step criteria, but I'll be giving you a summary and my verdict on what I think of the platform. So now we've got that out of the way, I'll see you in the next video where we're going to dive into platform number 1.